Did you know that you can turn your passion into a six-figure income, and all of that can be done without leaving your home or needing to touch inventory? If that sounds like your type of deal, stick around because in this video, I will reveal how you can reach those goals by selling digital products. Let's get into it. So, what exactly are digital products? Well, they're also known as e-goods and are essentially either online services or digital downloads. Some examples include eBooks, stock photos, mobile apps, and more. So why should you sell digital products? Well, it's simple, really. They're both cost-effective and highly profitable. For example, you don't need to keep a physical inventory, there are no shipping costs, and the delivery is instant. This means you can easily sell to anyone, anywhere in the world. In this video, I will help you find and choose your products or services, analyze market trends, and evaluate demand and profitability. Plus, I'll also provide you with some tips on establishing a unique value proposition for your customers and give you some digital product ideas to start from. And to wrap that all up, we'll discuss the best platforms for your e-commerce business. But first, let's focus on finding something to sell. Not all of us know what kind of market we want to enter from the start, and that is totally okay. Luckily, there are a few ways to identify what we want to focus on. So, the first step is to analyze the market. Find out which digital products are trending right now. Ideally, you want to offer something that people are actually looking for. Make a list of possible e-goods and take it to Google Trends. With this tool, you will be able to explore and analyze the popularity of search terms over time and location. This way, you should get a good idea of what is popular right now. And while you're researching trends, make sure to stop by the Google Ads Keyword Planner too. It's a fantastic tool for your arsenal as it can analyze stuff like search volumes and competition data. If you need suggestions for your pricing or advertising budget, the Keyword Planner has also got you covered. Essentially, make sure to look for niches with high search volumes and low competition. If you think you've got something, Google the keywords. Check the number of search results and the quality of the top ranking pages. Then try to identify gaps and possibilities. Do not be afraid to get specific too. You can uncover a lot of opportunities even with long tail keywords that are 3 to 5 words long. So now you know which keywords are trending and maybe you've even found a niche. Great job. But what about the market itself? Dedicate some time to analyze market trends too. This means becoming familiar with what's currently happening in the digital item industry and what is high in demand. And as always, there are plenty of tools to make the job easier. We've got some recommendations here for you. For emerging e-commerce trends, consult Exploding Topics. This website contains an AI-assisted database of thousands of trending topics, so go wild with it. For insights into industry trends, market shares, and consumer behavior, make sure to check out Statista. And finally, browse through the Pew Research Center. This nonprofit organization provides insights for communication strategies and market analysis. Now, all that's left to do is to compile all your findings and analyze them. If you've done your keyword and market trend research, you should already have a broad idea of your product. Now, it's time to evaluate the profitability and demand before you can commit. To do that, you'll need to get familiar with some terms. Okay, first, profitability. This means your total profit after subtracting all of the costs. These costs should be what you spend on development, production, marketing, or support. You can gauge potential profitability by taking a closer look at products that are similar to yours too. Make sure to take their success into account though. A crowded market means a trending product, but tougher competition. Pay attention to these 3 key metrics. First, gross profit margin. It is a percentage of revenue that the seller retains after subtracting the cost of the goods sold. The higher the gross profit margin, the higher the profitability. Second, net profit margin. It lets you know how much profit is generated as a percentage of revenue after subtracting all of the expenses. It's a good way to gauge overall profitability. Okay, and lastly, return on investment. This measures your investment's profitability by comparing the net profit to the investment cost. Next up, demand. This is the number of products that the customers want. You need to understand consumer demand to address their needs and offer optimal solutions. You can get a good idea of what the demand is by looking at the following 4 metrics. Okay, so sales revenue, it measures the total amount of revenue from the sales of a product over a specific period. Then unit sales. This metric simply represents the number of products sold in a given period. Customer acquisition rate is a bit trickier though. It calculates the rate at which new customers are acquired. A higher measure means growing demand and expanding customer base. Finally, customer lifetime value estimates the total revenue you can expect from a customer throughout the business relationship. It may be tricky to successfully estimate all the metrics when getting started, but however, you can also use frameworks like the SWOT analysis to make the process as smooth as possible. Now that we have all of the data, it's time to position ourselves in the market. We need to figure out a way for you to stand out. Essentially, you have to craft a compelling and unique value proposition and communicate it. Give customers a reason to choose your product over the rest of them. To do this, consider how your digital products address your customers' pain points. Maybe you're committed to making the experience the best it can be, or perhaps you're focusing on exceptional quality and functionality. If you're struggling to come up with a unique value proposition, don't worry. You can always see what your competition tends to overlook. For example, if they're selling generic online courses, offer personalized expert feedback and guidance, and then make sure your customers know about it. Alright, I've assigned you a good amount of homework in the previous section, I know. That said, none of it will matter much if you don't know what you're selling. And that's why we're going to look at some of the best digital product ideas, starting off with a classic. If you're passionate about a particular subject and want to share the passion with others, consider writing and selling ebooks. In fact, they're one of the most lucrative digital products right now. Their market volume is projected to reach $15 billion by 2027. Unlike physical books, ebooks don't require any printing presses or book binding either. And this means they're really easy to distribute. To sell your own ebook, choose a subject and research the target audience. Sticking to what you're interested in will make the process that much more enjoyable. Better yet, your passion will be translated into high-quality content that resonates with the readers. To design your own ebook, you don't even need any premium software. Make sure to check out free tools like Canva, Visme, and Adobe Express. Once your ebook is done, you'll need a platform to sell it on and a strategy to spread the word. In fact, you could start a website and use it for distribution and promotion. Build an email list too, and provide interested readers with content and updates. You can even incentivize signups by offering free excerpts or exclusive discounts. The e-learning industry has more to offer than text though. Right now, video courses are one of the most popular ways to learn something online. And this should come as no surprise. The average person spends around 17 hours a week watching online videos. Much like with ebooks, you'll want to have some expertise in a subject before you can make video courses though. That, and you'll probably want to invest in high quality video camera and editing software. First, come up with a lesson plan and decide on the goal of your course. Make sure to plan your production timeline in detail too. This includes scripting, filming, editing, and publishing the video. Once your course is ready, all that is left to do is choosing the right platform. You can publish on Udemy, Coursera, or Teachable to reach wide and established audience, or build your own course website for complete control and branding. Overall, video courses can be a great business idea if you're an expert or an educator or simply don't mind being on camera. Up next are membership sites. Membership sites offer exclusive content or services in exchange for paid subscriptions. And as a bonus, they often integrate seamlessly with other e-commerce businesses. What's great about membership sites is that they provide you with recurring revenue, which means a predictable and stable income stream. Unlike one-off sales, membership sites accumulate value over time. They also thrive on loyal followers who want exclusive content and perks. From special discounts to priority support, these perks can really enhance the member experience and promote brand loyalty too. To make sure your membership site is successful though, you'll need to establish your authority first. And this may take time. First, gain some credibility by sharing fresh insights, tips, and knowledge. Once you have a few followers, focus on providing them with a sense of belonging. Since membership sites are essentially communities, make sure to encourage engagement and foster a supportive environment. When setting up a membership site, decide on the perks, pricing plans, and management tools beforehand. In essence, membership sites are a good business opportunity if you have a strong follower base. Loyal followers are more likely to sign up for access to exclusive content. Do you like photography? If so, consider turning your hobby into a profitable digital business. From advertisements to web design, there's a huge market for stock photos and videos. All it takes to start is a decent camera and some editing software. Here are a few tips to get you started. First of all, quality is key. Ensure your photos and videos are well composed, well lit, and visually appealing. Try and be unique too. Experiment with angles, perspectives, and camera settings. Having access to professional editing software definitely helps, and use it to make your pictures and videos pop. Before sharing your work, decide between the royalty-free or rights-managed license. Essentially, royalty-free lets buyers reuse the content without making additional purchases, while rights-managed allows a single use with a potentially larger degree of control. Once you've got it all figured out, start selling on your own website or through leading online platforms like iStock or Shutterstock. So, just like stock photography, digital art is also constantly in high demand. Everyone needs digital art, from bloggers to content creators and businesses. Digital art can be a couple of things too, such as fonts, illustrations, logos, and icons. If you really wish to stand out from the competition though, develop your own unique style. Experiment with techniques and refine your skills. Most importantly, draw inspiration from various sources. To quote Picasso, good artists copy, great artists steal. So keep an open mind and be on the lookout for great ideas. But remember, steal like an artist, not like a bandit. When making your art available for sale, prioritize quality. Ensure your pieces look high resolution and professional. This should be versatile across different mediums without appearing sloppy. When pricing your artwork, try to make it both affordable and fair compensation for your work. Base the price on the piece's complexity, licensing options, and market demand. Many digital artists take commissions via personal portfolio websites. Having your own site will also afford you a higher degree of control over your brand and sales process. Alternatively, you can sell your digital art on popular platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, Society6, and Redbubble. Are you proud of your coding skills? Then why not develop your own mobile app or game? Software is not the easiest digital product to get started, as you'll need skills and knowledge to develop, but it's a huge market. We've got a few tips too. First, consider the platform you're targeting before picking the tools for the job. Programming languages like Java, Kotlin, or Swift form the foundation of app and game development. Check out development environments like Xcode and Android Studio to help streamline the process. In addition, solutions like Appery allow you to create an app without knowing how to code. Meanwhile, if you want to develop a game, Unity, Unreal Engine, and Godot are great tools to get started too. You'll want to brush up on your C#, C++, and Python skills for those as well. When you're ready to launch, you can implement App Store optimization, in-app purchases, and sponsorships as part of your marketing strategies. Also, keep track of your user feedback too. It will help you make improvements. Making a mobile app or game isn't easy, but it can be really profitable if you have a solid idea and the skills to implement it. If you have a remote-friendly occupation or valuable knowledge to share, you can sell your services online. Coaching and consulting provide invaluable support to clients seeking to achieve their goals. There's a wide range of services that you can sell to help individuals and businesses thrive. For example, you can provide guidance on personal growth, share business strategy tips, help with career development, or coach on health and wellness. To attract the right clients, target a specific niche and industry and tailor your services to meet that market's unique needs. This way, you'll position yourself as an expert and differentiate yourself from everyone else. Most successful consultants operate via their own websites. You could also sign up on Fiverr and similar platforms and work as a freelancer. In essence, coaching and consulting is a solid online business idea if you're an experienced professional who wants to see your clients grow and achieve their goals. Your choice of digital product will have a large impact on what platform you should sell it on. It's worth remembering that not all platforms can cater to your specific needs though. To be really successful, it's essential to make the right choice. So let's look at a few options to help you decide on the best platform for your online business. Without a doubt, running your own online store is the best way to sell digital products. eBooks, apps, digital art, learning courses, you can sell anything from a specialized website. Having your own online store also grants you full control over its functionality, looks, and product choice. This way you have complete freedom to customize and scale your business. If you're new to building websites, pick an easy-to-use solution like our Hosting Your Website Builder. Its e-commerce functionality supports up to 500 products, allows effective order management, and integrates numerous payment processors. This makes it super easy to sell any digital product. You can sell courses and coaching services too. The appointment booking feature makes scheduling and paying for classes a breeze. If that sounds good, just click on the link in the description and choose the Business Website Builder plan. Then pick the 48th month subscription for the best deal and enter the discount code WB10, and this way you'll get an extra 10% off your purchase. You will also receive a free domain name for a year, so make sure to pick something catchy. As soon as you're checked out, you can start building your online store. You can build your website using our AI builder or select one out of the many pre-designed templates and customize it to your liking. If you choose the AI route, click Start Creating on the Website Builder setup page, then fill in the brand name, choose Online Store from the drop-down menu, and write a nice description of your business. Finally, adjust the personalization settings to your liking and click on Create a Website. In just a couple of moments, the AI will generate a fully functional online store, including your product pages. It's that easy. If you're happy with what you see, click Edit Website at the top right corner and adjust the store to your liking. Get familiar with the shopping cart icon on the left panel too. It's your online store menu. You can click on Manage Store to edit your website's online store, and after answering a couple of questions, you'll be able to add and edit products, set up payment gateways, manage orders, and more. We have a video that provides a more in-depth look at how to create and manage your online store with Hosting Your Website Builder, so make sure to check it out on our YouTube channel. Click on the tab in the video over here or find the link in the video description below. If you'd rather start selling digital products on a third-party platform, try Gumroad. It has a beginner-friendly interface which makes setting up an online store fairly easy. Gumroad doesn't charge monthly fees, but it does take a 10% commission on each sale. You can sell digital products simply by uploading them to Gumroad and adding the generated link anywhere on your website. The platform will then turn it into a storefront, allowing customers to purchase your digital goods directly. Gumroad also lets you sell digital products in unlimited quantities. If you wish to sell software, it also generates license keys. You can track your views and sales and see where they come from with the integrated analytics tool too. If you prioritize simplicity and user-friendliness, Gumroad may be the platform for you. It's worth mentioning though that it only lists products by the time of upload, and it's not possible to categorize your products. Do you want to sell online courses or coaching services? Try Teachable. It's another platform that's easy to get started on with its intuitive and straightforward interface. Since it's centered around e-learning, Teachable supports numerous types of teaching media, quizzes, and course completion certificates. It also allows you to customize your pages and implement affiliate programs. Teachable has a free plan, but it's fairly limited. Paid plans come with more features, like the basic plan, for example, starts at $39 per month, billed annually. It does charge a 5% commission, while Pro and Pro Plus plans have no transaction fees. All of Teachable's paid plans come with unlimited bandwidth, unlimited courses, and unlimited students. We recommend checking out Teachable if you want to sell online courses and get started quickly. And there you have it. We've gone over all the necessary prep for selling digital products, discussed the best digital goods ideas, and even gone over a few platforms for your e-commerce business. With all of that you've learned, we hope it's made navigating the digital product industry easier. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have new videos coming out every single week. Thank you for watching and good luck on your online journey.